In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT4 indicators in TradingView. If you're used to the MT4 platform, you might already be familiar with its extensive range of indicators. TradingView is a popular choice for many traders due to its comprehensive charting tools and social features. However, one challenge you might face is that MT4 and TradingView use different programming languages. MT4 uses MQL4, while TradingView employs PineScript. Let's dive into how you can bridge this gap and bring your favorite MT4 indicators into TradingView. The first step to tackling this challenge is to understand that you will need to convert your MT4 indicators from MQL4 to PineScript. This is because TradingView does not naturally support the MQL4 language. This process might sound a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not completely familiar with coding. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. One useful tip before you start the conversion process is to take advantage of the TradingView community scripts. TradingView has a robust community of developers and traders who often share scripts they've created. Browse through the community scripts to see if someone has already ported or recreated the MT4 functionality you are looking for in PineScript. This can save you not only time, but also the effort of needing to understand the intricate details of both programming languages. If you find the indicator you are searching for in the community, great. You can directly import it into your TradingView account. This way, you access the functionality you need without having to write a single line of code. However, if you don't find an equivalent script in the community, you will have to consider converting it manually. To start converting, you'll need the original MQL4 code of the indicator. Have a close look at this code and identify the key parameters and functionalities. Next, you need to translate these functionalities into PineScript. One of the beneficial aspects of PineScript is its simplicity and ease of use, especially once you get the hang of it. Begin by setting up a new script in TradingView and start transferring the logic from your MT4 code into PineScript syntax. This will often involve familiarity with PineScript's unique functions and data handling. Plan to spend some time in this phase, as debugging and testing will likely be integral to ensuring your new script works as intended. And don't hesitate to tap into TradingView's extensive documentation or community forums if you hit a roadblock. You'll often find valuable resources and assistance there. Once your new script is functioning correctly in TradingView, you can enjoy the flexibility and additional features this platform offers. Now you're equipped to use your cherished MT4 indicators within TradingView, enhancing your charting experience and trading potential. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.